Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Install the chatbot app, grant microphone and notification permissions, and sign in. Once signed in, choose a model size and your preferred language. This affects speed and accuracy. Make sure to enable two-step verification for account safety. Then set privacy choices, data sharing, history retention, and accept required terms. Now you have the app configured, and you're ready to start your initial conversation immediately. Once done with setup, you focus on how to use prompts effectively. Start with concise context and a direct intent. Specify constraints, for example. Summarize in 3 points or respond in Markdown. If outputs miss the mark, iterate, refine the prompt, add an example, or ask for step-by-step reasoning. Use session features. Pin key conversations, label threads, and export important chats. This structured approach improves relevance and cuts down on back and forth, so you get reliable answers faster. To complete your workflow, review the chatbot's output, edit where necessary, and export or copy the final result. Save prompt templates for recurring tasks so you can reuse proven formats. Once done, schedule reminders or follow-up prompts inside the app to keep momentum. If something goes wrong, app crashes, no audio, or poor responses, restart the app, verify microphone and internet permissions, install updates, and retry. If problems persist, collect logs and contact support with examples. That speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.